Okay, last video we figured out how to input variables into our stuff. And if you followed along with the PowerPoints like you should be, we also talked about operations and being able to do some math here. So we have int total money. And I just want to ask the user a couple more questions. Let's do a int integer, okay? And we want to say something like price of item. Price of item. Okay, so what I'm going to have the user do is enter in the price of an item that they want to buy. And then I want to tell the user how many of that item that they can buy. So we have an integer for the price of the item. So instead of saying you said you have total money, let's ask the user how much does the item you want to, let's say items. How much does the items you want to buy cost? Okay. Alrighty, and then let's see. Let's get in the price of the item. Int. Actually, we don't need to do that. We just do price of item equals scan dot next int. Okay. And there we go. And then let's do some math here. So we want to tell the user how much of an item they can buy. Well, I don't have any place to store the math that I do. So let's create a new integer and call that let's just say num of items. Num of items. Okay. So we're going to set number of items, or num of items, and that is going to be equal to the total money divided by, and to do division, we do this symbol divided by, what do you think? Divided by the price of the item, okay? Alrighty, and then let's tell the user how much they bought. So we're gonna grab this line of code here, and we're going to say, you can buy blank, and then we're going to put number of items here, do another plus, and then say items. Okay, and then let's give this a run, and let's see if our division works. What is your name? Tony. Tony, how much money do you have? I have $74. Okay, how much does the item I want to buy cost? Let's say $9. Okay, I can buy 8 items. Well, you might be saying, well, you did some rounding there, David. Well, and the reason that we round is because in real life, you can't buy half of an item, and is an integer here, we do not want any rounding because integers can't round. They are only whole numbers. So 9 times 8, if you guys remember from math, is 72. So we have $2 left over, but we can buy a total of 8 items. So our math worked out pretty well there. Hopefully these 2 videos help you with your miles traveled. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I'm always available to help.